But you guys can see, like, look at how fabulous this hairline is. Guys, so I am back today with another hair video. Shout out to Asteria Hair for sending me this unit. So it's been a long time since I've done a glue down on a unit. You guys know I've been doing kind of like the quick units lately. Now if you're looking for a really nice unit, guys, something that's very pretty, long, thicker density, and a 13x4 unit that's going to slay to the gods, this unit is very pretty, guys. I do have some up and coming trips, and this will be such a nice wig to install for my trip, just to go on the trip and last for a few days, because you guys know the glue don't really last that much. One thing I do want to mention about this unit, guys, the cap construction is actually a glueless cap construction. You guys saw when I cut the lace off that the unit actually landed on my head pretty good. It does have an adjustable strap that they actually put on for you, but if you want to go ahead and cut it and readjust it, which I probably should, this unit can actually fit on my head without being glued down, which I really like. So with this unit today, I did go ahead and show it to you guys styled up. I did the little baby hair magic. I showed you guys how I customized the ear tabs on this 13x4 unit. The unit is 28 inches long and it is 250% density, guys. So the unit is very long. Now obviously you guys can see I wore it in the middle part style because I want to show it to you guys middle part style. But you guys can see, like, look at how fabulous this hairline is. The curls, the water wave texture, as a matter of fact, is very, very pretty. As far as the baby hairs go, guys, it kind of just like let them do what they wanted to. I wasn't really trying to get them to be like too stuck down and gluey on my sides. So I just kind of like quickly curled them and then just let them do their own thing. You guys can see on both sides, the baby hairs are pretty much, especially the sideburn ears, pretty much doing its own thing, but it looks super cute, guys, just because it is a water wave texture. So the baby hairs don't need to be perfect, they just need to be slayed and undetectable. So as you guys can see, the lace looks flawless, guys. Very, very pretty. I think this curl pattern is actually one of my favorites. I love a good water wave. I feel like the water wave is the in-between being almost like a deep wave pattern and a straight up curly pattern. The hair looks very nice. Usually I would like to wear my hair as a side part going this way, but I wanted to do the middle part with this one just because I loved how the curls are. With this one, I obviously co-washed this unit. I did go in and bleach the knots ever so lightly on this unit, guys, just because I knew I was going to install it glue-wise and I wanted to be scalpy on it to the T. So I did go ahead and bleach the knots on this one. I did not tweeze this unit. The unit did come pre-tweezed, which I did like. As far as co-washing it, I did go ahead with my Cantu leave-in conditioner. You guys did see I did go ahead and put a little bit more on the top just to kind of maintain some of the frizziness. You guys know when it comes to curly hair, it's going to give you like a little frizz here and there. So just to maintain it, I use a little of my Cantu leave-in conditioner and a little bit of hair oil just to make sure that everything was kind of moisturized and taken care of. I will turn around and show you guys the back and show you guys the length. It is super long. The density is 250, guys, but I feel like the density is perfect. I have no issues with this density whatsoever. I feel like the density is like the perfect density, and it's just giving vacation girl, vacation vibes. I absolutely love this one. I showed it to you guys in the middle part, like I said. Obviously it's the middle part now, but I feel like if I want to, I can go ahead and do a different styles. Like a side part would look really good with this one, and even if I don't want a part, I could just rewash it and just do kind of like a plain flip over method. So the unit is gorgeous, guys. As you guys can tell, like I'm obsessed with this hairline. I feel like the hairline is giving what it's supposed to give, and it just makes the wig look more realistic than ever. And I feel like the middle part as well does something for it as well too. So you guys can kind of see a little bit of my forehead, okay? So you guys get like a little forehead me in here today because I didn't put my wig up too long, but too far down. But you guys can see that. Look at how gorgeous, just absolutely gorgeous this unit is. And obviously you guys can tell on the front on the 13x4, it does come a little bit shorter than the rest of the lengths in the back, but I like that just to give more of a layered effect. So as you guys can see, there is a little bit of a layer in the front area right here. This is a 13x4, so on the 13x4 section of the lace area, they did go ahead and make it kind of like a 22-inch or 24-inch right here. So I do like that layering effect just because I feel like it looks better than having all the hair just being one straight length. So I do appreciate when the company does that. They make the frontal area just a little bit shorter just to give you a little bit of layers. So guys, I really like this one. There's not that much I can really say about this unit other than that it's very pretty. It's very low maintenance as well too, guys. When I installed this unit, I didn't really receive any shedding or any tangling or anything like that in the nape area. It's perfect. I've had the unit on for a couple of hours today. I wanted to kind of install and see how it did. So far so good. After putting products in, it actually dries up pretty well. Even though this is thicker density hair, I was afraid that was going to take a long time for the hair to dry up, but the hair dries up very well. And all I did with this unit today, guys, was add water and some Cantu leave-in conditioner, and I was good to go, guys. So shout out to Asteria Hair Company for putting this unit out. This unit is an absolutely stunning unit for vacation season. You guys know summer vacation is about to roll through and you got to get your looks together. This is definitely a fabulous vacation look, guys. And even if you're doing something very light, a nice little brunch party or whatever, this is such a pretty unit to step out with. You can even do like a cute little style by clipping it up or do something like that, but for the most part, I'm going to wear in the middle part or do a side part just because it's giving scalp. So I'll go ahead and leave all the information down below, guys, if you're interested in purchasing this unit from Asteria Hair Company, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.